chubb12C. This is a smoke alarm test 3. So today I'm gonna test my smoke detector with 8. I have an 8 again, so anyway, let's go test. Best one the first. The smoke detector takes a little bit.
Fire. Fire. Fire.
I need to blow the smoke, guys. Here we go. This is the camera I'm using. It's new camera. It's gonna take it. This old smoke detector takes a little bit long. It's taking forever. Come on, man. It's a hard one to activate. There you go. I'm gonna test the wize cam alarm maybe if I have time. Smoke detector B. This sound fight working. Our smoke detector has sun now. That's why. Let's hear this another one. Right there. It's right there. Let me spray 8. Okay, that's enough, maybe. That's not good. What is that set off? Where's the sensor? Hold on, guys. There's a system test fail. Let me try again.
Push test button.
Let's see if it don't fail again. There you go.
Fire.
I'm almost ready to be replaced. You need to clean out the sensor. So, they almost failed the system test 3. So let me find this. This smoke detector is ionization sensor. I don't know if it's for electric, so let me know in the comments. Okay, this is sure we have come and not take test. So we're gonna do with 8 system test. So let's go test the wize scan siren. So let me go open the app and set up the siren. Put back the 8. That's me. And that's the new camera stuff. This is the control remote. I almost forget it. Anyway, let's set up the wize security system. Where's the wize app? Uh-oh. I forgot my wize app have a second factor verification with my phone number. But don't worry guys, I'm gonna skip this video so while entering my personal private info. So guys, I'm gonna pause the video right now while I'm signing in my wize app. Here we go. Here you go, finally log in the app. So let's go test the siren of my wize cam version 3. That's how I set the logo. This one's that camera. If I press this, hold on. If I press the living room cam, it's gonna set off this one. So anyway, let's test it. Oh, let me try to open my app and there you go, it's working fine. That's me with the camera. This is the camera I use to record. It's only 30 seconds, it says still on, so gonna turn off automatic. We'll leave it there. But there you go, they turned off automatic. That still work. That camera is working too. Anyway guys, let's test the outdoor motion sensor light. So it's not an alarm sensor, it's a light sensor. Let's test that one. Should we detect me? There you go. Let's test this one. This one's working fine. Test this one, test that one, test the blink doorbell. It's working. Whoa. Test this motion. They're good working. Test this two. It's working. That one working. Failed test. Need to replace the battery. The doorbell is working fine. Let's test this one. working. Come on. There's my cat. Let's test the master bedroom when there's another motion sensor right here. Sorry for the mess, so I don't say anything when they start recording the smoke alarm test. Yeah. Okay, you see, there you go, it's working. So motion sensors work fine, guys, so let me see if my system's working. Okay, Google, Alexa, working fine.
I know you know my real name.
Echo, it's working the other one. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't like and subscribe for more tests, and bye.